Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the MIUI version and model so the available home styles match your phone. Once done, back up your current home layout or note widgets to restore later if needed. Then, open Settings and go straight to Home Screen Options. This is where Xiaomi centralizes the style controls. You do this early because some options change layout system-wide. Make sure to stay in Settings and avoid third-party launchers until you finish these built-in adjustments. You now pick the core home style, Classic, Expanded, or App Drawer, because this determines how apps and widgets behave. After selecting, adjust grid size and icon shape to fit more apps or increase spacing. This matters for readability and finger reach. Next, toggle label visibility and icon size for a cleaner look. Once you configure these options, use the preview to inspect spacing and widget placement. Make incremental tweaks rather than big jumps, so the layout feels natural on your device. You finalize by tapping Apply and then rearrange apps, folders, and widgets directly on the home screens to suit your workflow. If icons overlap or widgets show wrong sizes, restart the device to reload the launcher and resolve caching glitches. If problems continue, return to Settings right arrow home screen and choose Reset to Default or Restore your backup. This clears misapplied pairing between grid and widgets. One key troubleshooting tip: always restart first. It fixes most visual and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.